Alright, that should be better. I guess I accidentally set this. Hey, Christine. Am I too loud? Does it? Let me turn the lights on and see what's up with the settings. We're going to see what's wrong with my mind. That sound better now? Cool. It's not better. Is this better? Yeah, randomly lo-fi is just loud. Like, this music is just loud out of nowhere. Well, anyway. Yeah, like that. Adjust this. That should be better. Okay, how do I sound? I'm adjusting just so it can be at the perfect level. I moved this by accident one time. Well, anyway. Hey everyone, this is Omar, Wright, and today we're just gonna do some game development. It's gonna be a short stream, maybe an hour or two. I forgot where we left off at for this game project. I remember now. We have the issue with we need to spawn characters into the game, the battle map. Okay, I'm gonna have to create spawn points. Okay. What's up? I should set this up to be shuffle. There it is, shuffle. It's gonna play some new songs y'all never heard of. Create a new folder. Call this new folder for environments, spawn points. Create a new one. I do need to create spawn points for the regular game map too. One, two, three, four. Yep. It's gonna create a new to create a new one. That's battle base, map, battle. It's gonna be a node 2D. And this is gonna be a spawn point. Battle spawn point. This is going to be resources. No, it's not resources. Assets, actors, environment, battle. And we have it here. We open it up. We're going to attach a script to it. Cool. Call this class battle spawn point. I guess I do need the ready because I wanted to do stuff when it's at the beginning. let's transform. So we're going to create a variable for position. Variable, let's see, is it enemy? Then spawn. Let's call it slot number. By default is 1. Default is false. I think it's a vector 2. Just say spawn position. So we want to set the spawn position to equal position. Wait, do I even need that? Can I just do that? Because arguably I don't need that. Export so I can manually set it. I still need the ready. Trying to think what else. This should be fine. We'll add a sprite. Just so we can see it, right? Icon, yep. There you go. And we go to battle. It's basically taking up the whole entire screen. So we want our spawn point to always be 0. We want our player battle to be 1. So up here on top, closer to I want it. Let's transform, position. Say somewhere around there. And over here it's the enemy. It's gonna do the same thing for the ordering. No. Slot 0, slot 0. Delete you. Why keep selecting you? So we have these battle points, spawn points that we need. For each loop. Godot. Okay. I just Google how to do a for loop and Godot. Nice. Get some chicken on the stick. I heard that's popular during Fiesta. Spawn characters, spawn party. It says for I equals Characters player. I'm going to work on spawning today. Let's see if this works. Funnel cake is whenever I see it, I basically get it. Yay! Spawn the player. So this is how you do a for loop. Unnecessary. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, they spawn and they can shoot each other. So that still works. That game. So now for each one is going to... I need to create a character manager. Attach a script. Name and a script. Managers. Yep. Okay. Gonna copy a lot of this. A lot of it. I just need some base code. Just a player party. How am I gonna handle encounters? Trying to think if I want the character manager to handle it or the battle manager to handle spawning enemies. I think one of the I learned in the past, like one of the worst things you can add to a funnel cake is chocolate. Just funnel cake and chocolate, because usually the chocolate is not quite right. Strawberries would be amazing. But I'm very fond of a like hot, cold things. That's one of the reasons why I like sundaes and stuff like that more. It's coming from somebody that actually loves chocolate. Ooh, blueberries. Blueberries for sure. Function, add character to party. The reason why we're doing the function is so we can span it later. Like if we oh yeah, tester plays a big thing. The reason why we're doing this is in case we want to trigger or add like UI later, such as if when later in the game I believe you can recruit people. We just modified this to do what we needed to do. I think. Character. Let's say character. Let's just do name, and this will be string. Let's say hard coded name. No, it will be a hard-coded name. We're just going to keep it simple at name. So, we want to for I and player party size. Index I name. Let's start with display name. We'll change this later. Equals name. Let's player remove I. Then return. There we go. So we want to set a variable for max. Not a variable, because this doesn't change. It'll be a constant. So constants are a bit different. They cannot be changed. That's why we're doing all caps to indicate that this is a variable that never changes. Well, it's not a variable, it's a constant. If party size is less than or equal to max party size, let's print play. Party is full. Cutting. Add. Character. Display name. To party. See? There we go. Man, we have a long while. Hopefully by the end of this year we can have a demo for this game of how many hours I'm working for it. Alright, we just added hard-coded name. Oh, it's lightning. I am fully prepared for my internet to go out. Should we go now? Hard-coded name. This song is really catchy. It's called Banana Fuego. In case you're curious. This should work. I'm not sure I'll be able to implement this tonight or not. So I need to add player. I need to add experience. So in this game, the more you use certain skills and stuff like that, the more you get XP for it, kind of like how Skyrim does it. I need to add this to character data. It's so much I have to do. How do you raise luck? That's gonna be an interesting stat I explore. Trying to level it up. What's so interesting, this is the part of the process of game development that a lot of people quit at. From my experience of going to college for it and stuff like that. Because it's the beginning where all the programming gets set up. It's usually like the most monotonous, boring, and most technically needed part of the game. Because a lot of people dive into art fairly early before they even got the mechanics down, and that's great for depending on what type of workflow you have. But for me, I just like to get the tough parts out of the way. I can stomach looking at something not as visually appealing, but it works for a long time. Some of the games I developed, it did not look like a game for easily a year or two. And I'm not even joking. It's like, yeah, I could. If it moves like a game, but it doesn't look like a game. All I see is boxes and squares. I wonder how this displays. Yeah, it displays this right here. Okay. Because I want this to be hidden. So when the player first starts the game, it will be on 0 for all of these. I followed a philosophy where it's just like, if it's fun as blocks and squares, it's gonna be more fun with artwork. My goal is to get people hooked off the just off the mechanics first. Like we, for example here, I need to update the version because this changed a lot. Like we did all this artwork and stuff like that to, this experiment, like with sorting to make it seem like and stuff like that, just to see how it works functionally. Just like going up to the signpost, having dialogue appear, stomps to actually block your pathway. Because all of these dictate how the artwork will look. And trust me, we can easily spend like 3 years on the. I'll try to shoot for 2 years just doing artwork for the game. But I'm assuming it's going to take like a year and a half just to do the programming for the basics of the game. At the pace I'm heading at. And then a year of polish. We're gonna have to solve this pause game, the input system. It's gonna be labor intensive. Labor of love, though. So we have the character manager. It has and do all that fanciness. Is there anything and we get game manager. So in a battle we want to characters, enemies, clear. Characters, player, clear. Alright, we want to create a new variable, or a new function, I should say. New function called let's say re-import. Or export player party. So we'll get the game manager, character manager. We want to player party, clear. Same thing. that should be it. I think we'll yeah export the player. That'll be fine. We're gonna do another one for import player party. Characters. I think this will be better. I think that'll be it for tonight. I will not be streaming this weekend. I have a lot of work stuff to do for my second job, and do some house hunting this weekend. Next stream will most likely be next Thursday. I'm gonna try to get back to recording videos this weekend as well, so y'all can look forward to that this week as well. I think I'll start Oblivion and do some Skyrim. Yeah, that's the plan. It'll start with Oblivion and then do some Skyrim content, and then mix in a little bit of Monster Hunter World, since this year I'm definitely gonna start focusing on videos more so I can get better at that. Well, anyway, I appreciate y'all coming to see me live stream tonight. I will be continuing working on this game throughout the weekend and this upcoming week, so no worries about progress being made even if I don't live stream it. I'm gonna try to also finish Inquisition for a live streaming. It might be a while for me to live stream after I'm finished with Inquisition. That's just to keep y'all updated. Anyway, love y'all, appreciate y'all, stay beautiful, and I'll see y'all next Thursday.